Call or click and see how easy it is to schedule your windshield replacement today.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. Up first, Arianna Mack and her guest discuss a big Friday event at CVCC that will provide valuable services for veterans.
Reporting for WHKY in Hickory on CVCC's campus with Dr. Ric Vandett ahead of the Foothills Veterans Stand Down event. Rick, tell us about the event on April 10th.
April 10th, we're going to have our Veterans Stand Down, and it'll be our 14th annual stand down. It's hard to believe we've already done 14 of these, and our first one was 2012, and we'll have approximately between 250 and 300 veterans here tomorrow, and they'll take advantage of a variety of services that we'll have for them, as well as food, clothing. They'll sign up for dental care. They can get haircuts here, eye checks, just a lot of things that will help our veterans in this area.
And as a veteran, tell me what this means to you.
As being a disabled veteran, it brings us more together as a family to get things done. And I appreciate this. And I've been here, coming down here for the last 12 years. I am the junior commander for the DAV in Hickory, Chapter 34.
Tell me a little bit more about the very first event 14 years ago to now. What's different?
Well, location for one. The first 4 stand-downs were held at the American Legion Hall here in Hickory on Highway 70. And it was a great place for us to do a stand down, but one of the features we had at that time was dental care for our veterans. The only way we could do that was to shuttle veterans from the American Legion to the dental lab here at Catawba Valley Community College. And then one day we decided to see if we can move it here so that the people who need dental care will also be able to take advantage of all the services that are here. And once we posed that to Dr. Henshaw here at the college, he said, come on, we'd love to have you. And we've been here ever since.
Presentations during the event include Quilts of Valor, various veteran awards, and a salute to veterans. You won't want to miss this free event. Reporting for WHKY, I'm Arianna Mack.
Thanks, Arianna, and as always, thanks to Rick for joining us. Federal funding is heading to North Carolina to help rebuild after recent storms, including a major investment in one mountain school system. Here is WHKY's David Cedrone with the story.
All right, thank you, Rob. Well, FEMA has announced more than $103 million in funding for recovery efforts across North Carolina. The money will support more than 50 public assistance projects tied to damage from Tropical Storm Helene and Hurricane Florence, helping repair and protect critical infrastructure statewide. That includes debris removal, emergency response work, and long-term repairs to roads, bridges, water systems, and public buildings. Among the largest grants, Watauga County Schools will receive $26.1 million to replace the Vail Cruces School building. The school was heavily damaged by flooding from Tropical Storm Helene, and the funding will help bring students and staff back to a safe, modern facility. I'm David Cedrone for WHKY News.
Thanks, David. And that wraps up Community Focus and the WHKY News. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 at our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio, 1290 AM and 102.3 FM, and streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. Thank you for joining us on behalf of Arianna Mack, David Cedrone, Jason Savage, and Ric Vandett. I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.